Today I'm going to show you how to build the whole chord progression basing on two simple chords. These are the chords of your own choice, and it's enough just to take two different triads. This creative exercise shows us how can we use the possibilities of applying diverse harmonic tools in order to make just two basic chords sound unusual and even surprising. First, we choose two chords only. We need to discipline ourselves to stick only to those two. My choice is G minor and D minor, and my key is D minor, so it's chords like subdominant and tonic. There is a kind of emotional color in these two chords standing next to each other. To me, they sound rather nostalgic, longing, and even sad. Step 2 is to decide how long our progression is going to be. A phrase of 4 or 8 bars is just enough to work on the chords. The harmonic rhythm is how often we want to change the chords. A relatively slow change is when the chords change once for a few bars, moderate when they change every bar, and fast when they change twice or more times within a bar. These changes also affect the mood and feel of the music. The third stage is actually playing with different harmonic tools, so it might cover point 3, 4 and 5 in any order. I wanted to start with inversions, adding some movement to the bass line. Then I introduced dissonances and extensions to the basic functions of the minor tonic and the minor subdominant. Finally, I spiced everything up with suspensions and foreign tones. The final result is a 16-bar fragment, longing related to reflection and memories. This is just my subjective association. And the bonus for you, an alternative version in which I added much more chromatic movement. The dissonant character turned the music into more depressing, perhaps scary direction. And how do you like this exercise? I hope you find it useful and inspiring. Just give it a try yourself. Thank you very much for watching, and if you benefit from our video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next episode.